In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a split-screen video in CapCut. Split-screen videos are a fantastic way to showcase multiple perspectives at the same time, whether you're comparing two clips, highlighting different angles, or simply creating a creative visual effect. With CapCut, the process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to achieve a clean and professional-looking split-screen effect with ease. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive right in. To begin, open CapCut and import the video clips you want to use for your split screen. You'll need at least 2 video files since the split screen requires multiple clips to work. Once your files are imported, drag the first video onto the timeline. This will act as your base layer and serve as the foundation for the split screen effect. Next, drag the second video directly on top of the first one, placing it on a separate track. This stacking of clips is essential because it allows us to create the split screen layout. Be sure to align both clips so they start at the same time. Just line them up at the very beginning of the timeline to ensure everything stays in sync. Now that your clips are in place, let's move on to positioning the videos. Start by selecting the second video on the timeline, then reduce its opacity to around 70% in the video's basic settings. By lowering the opacity, you'll be able to see both clips in the preview window, making it much easier to align and position the videos. Once you've done that, click and drag the second video in the preview area to move it to one side of the screen. Alternatively, you can use the transform sliders in the settings to adjust the position and scale. Either method works, so feel free to choose the one that feels most intuitive for you. Now, repeat the same process for the first video, positioning it on the opposite side of the screen. This step ensures that both videos are arranged properly for the split screen effect. Next up, we're going to apply the mask to create the actual split. With the second video still selected, go back to the video's basic settings and find the mask tab. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of options. For a vertical split, choose the split mask option. This will divide the screen into left and right sections. Alternatively, if you want a top and bottom split, select the horizontal mask instead. The type of split you choose depends on your creative vision for the project. Once you've selected your mask, adjust the dividing line by dragging it in the preview window. This allows you to fine-tune the position of the split. If you need a vertical split but the default orientation doesn't match your needs, you can rotate the mask by entering 90 degrees in the rotation setting. Don't forget, you can also use the zoom and handles in the preview area for more precise adjustments. And now for the final step. Reviewing and exporting your video. Play back the video to make sure everything looks seamless. Check that both clips are aligned properly and that the split screen effect appears clean and professional. If anything seems off, don't worry. Simply go back and adjust the positioning, opacity, or mask settings until you're happy with the result. Once everything looks good, it's time to export your video. Select the export option and save your project in the format and resolution that work best for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.